Hi, good evening. Welcome to my perfume review. So, today I have a very interesting perfume. I couldn't find much review in YouTube about this perfume. This is Abyan by Rasasi. This is an interesting perfume because I look at this. The top is quite jewelry type. I don't know, is it okay? This is a print probably. So what is so interesting thing about it? This is a perfume by Rasasi, and Rasasi does make quite interesting perfume. Sometimes it's not actually available in South Asia. Sometimes it's also not available in Middle Eastern country stores of Rasasi. But sometimes these are available in America, especially it's available in Amazon. So I found this one quite interesting. Why? I'll tell you later. But this is a perfume which has been compared with Parisian à la Stream by Yves Saint Laurent, and then it has compared with My Insolence by Guerlain, and then it was compared with Treasure Midnight by Lancôme. Then it was compared with Saint Essence Blushing Raspberry Avon. So quite good designer perfumes it has been compared. I know Rasasi can make really good perfumes, and why this perfume was interesting because it cost me only $39. So let's open and we will understand what is exactly they're talking about. So I have never smelled it before as I'm opening the pack in front of you. If I talk about the packaging, okay, I have to take off the whole pack because this opens like this. I saw, I think, only two YouTube videos about it because this is it has two versions. The purple one is for a woman, and the other one, that's I think the brownish one, brownish or probably mustard color, that is for men. So I ordered for the female one. So this is how you open it, and voila, this is the bottle. I think you already understood why I was interested about it, because the packaging is pretty nice, very nice glossy papers inside, and it can be compared with the packaging is quite interesting. See, the packaging is quite like the hub. Let's talk about it. I really like they really work on the bottle really well. Very nice, heavy glass bottle, and in the front it's written Abyan. I think they have only Arabic written, and I really like the cap. I mean, that's really eye-catching. Let's talk about the perfume now. They have a very slight lavender. Let me spray it on myself as well so that I can understand. Oh, okay. Ooh, this perfume is good. I have to say, this perfume is good. So, okay. One thing I already hated because they made the cap plastic. I think I already said while I reviewed the hub that some of the company, oh god, I'll close it later. I already found a flaw of $39 perfume. They made it plastic. They should have made it something a little bit heavier, but it's okay. I don't expect much from a $39 perfume. Let's talk about the smell. So this is a beautiful perfume. This is a beautiful, unexpectedly beautiful perfume. I don't know why nobody talked about it. The first smell is raspberry. A lot of raspberry. Yes, on my skin it's as well raspberry. There is some non-linear perfume. This is, I don't think it's non-linear, but this is very nice. Very nice, very sweet perfume. Very sweet perfume. It has the first spray, you get a lot of raspberry, very sweet raspberry. Later on, it goes to the beautiful rose. I don't know which rose they used. I don't think it's the Thai rose, but it's not the Turkish rose. It's something else. Also a little bit of, at the end you get the cedar. Cedar, the base note cedar is quite strong. On my skin, I can only smell the raspberry and rose. That's quite interesting. I mean, the base note is not really flashing on my skin, but on the blotter, I can smell the cedar. So that's the difference, you know, that's the difference of spraying a perfume on your skin and on your blotter. Because in the blotter, whatever is the notes are there, it will project over the blotter. But when you're spraying on the skin, the perfume oils go inside your skin and it does the body chemical reaction, and the rest which stays on your skin, that is what you smell. So here, I smell a lot of raspberry. I can smell a lot of rose, not a lot of, quite a good amount of rose, a little bit of violet, and then I can smell the cedar. So the top note, it has raspberry and lemon. The middle note, that it has the rose and violet leaf. The base note, it has the musk and civet, I think, and cedar. Very simple notes, but I have to say I like it. I really, really like it. I mean, compared to the price, they crafted the perfume really, really well. Well, I can't say I smell it like the Treasure Rose or Treasure Midnight Rose of Lancome. I have never smelled the Parisian of YSL, but it does smell like a very expensive designer perfume. I don't know, probably the work of raspberry and rose. It's so fine, I mean so balanced. On my skin it's super balanced. But when I first sprayed it, it was a lot of raspberry. I mean, who doesn't like raspberry? Probably that person will choke at some point. But after, you have to give a little bit of time, let's say 5 minutes maybe, and it will settle down on your skin. And it's beautiful. It's really, really beautiful. So I will request you to try the perfume. If you can get in your hand one piece, you should try it. And you can say, because it's a cheap perfume, no harm to try. So this was actually not said when it was actually came in the market, but I'm quite surprised to see it's only rated 3.77. From my side, it deserved at least 4.2. It's a good perfume. It is a good perfume. And for the price, the sillage is pretty good. I don't know about the longevity because I just opened in front of few people, but I think it will stay quite long. It's fruity, and it's the rosy notes are quite fresh. I find it quite fresh. Rose is, you will get this rose, very slightly musky, but it's most of, if you don't like powdery, if you don't like powder perfume, if you don't like raspberry, don't buy this, because this is a super powdery perfume and super raspberry perfume. I mean, you cannot avoid the raspberry. It's quite surprising. The raspberry is only on the top note, but the whole perfume is about raspberry. I mean, you'll get the rose, but raspberry is there. So don't think it will come alone. But all over, I mean, I like the perfume. I really, really like the perfume. It's beautiful and it's quite unique to me for the price. I mean, when you pay for a serious price for a bottle, then you expect a lot. Like when I paid for the hub, like the bottle is almost the same. I was expecting a super duper something, but I already knew that it smells like a little bit of Evapura, but till I sprayed on my skin. When I actually sprayed on my skin, I liked that perfume and I thought like the price worth it. But for this one, I was absolutely not expecting. This is a unusually beautifully crafted perfume, and the beautiful part is you won't even understand that this is a Rasasi perfume. Otherwise, you will understand this is a DNG or a Lancome or a YSL perfume. So if you're on budget, try this one. It will be absolutely fine. So if you like my video, please like, share, and comment. And of course, if you're new, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.